Club, Florence, South Carolina. Okay. And here we are on the second or so green. Just a pretty day. 3:30. The Lord is blessing us. Had a couple miracles today. A couple miracles a day keep the devil away. There's a beautiful lady, and her pink ball sitting right up there. She hit it all by herself.
And my pink ball.
That's my white one. And her pink one
on the other side of the green.
somewhere over there. Pause button on that all the time. Mapping out our strategy on the next hole. I didn't see what it said back there. Let me get a pretty close up on these legs. Hey, let's step up the pace, boys. We'll be hitting the ball down your guys' necks. This is nice. They have those homes down along the edges, and they get the privileges of having. That's one thing I like them to do to that part behind us. I can handle that. We get insurance for it. Here we have our trusty clubs. They're pretty blue on mine.
The blue ones in the front are mine, and the black ones
Make
in the
sure
back are his.
that you put all Renee's club back there, because we're going to get her a golf bag, but we haven't got that yet. And these are mine. These were in Steve's attic. And I did buy a 9-iron, but I didn't bring it because it's got an ugly yellow shaft. Then we had the camera bag right there, and the purse. We had some goodies in here,
Dusty Oscar.
we had Oscar here. Got a good picture of Oscar. Oscar never has had his own picture taken, I bet.
Dusty Oscar.
Oscar by Coleman.
Oscar has been around a long time.
He's been some places, I bet.
He's been some places.
Look at those legs. You can look if you watch this, but you can't touch. Dee. Okay, we're going to get these pictures of these guys coming off the tee one of these days. We paid $20 for 9 holes, and I think we can play the other 9 for 8 more. If one of these guys make a hole-in-one on this shot here, they would probably give me $10 for this. I just have to take a word for it. Okay, I should have went up there and checked and seen how far this is. I'm going to hit off the girls this time. Okay.
No, you have to go back here. Get that time down. You want me to record you driving?
I don't know where that one went. Check out this guy's form here. Pretty good shot. I didn't see where that one landed either. Tell these guys cold beers for $1.
Thank you, hon.
You bet.
Sure.
See if I got somebody else coming here. We have the world-renowned Renea. They put a special path out here for Miss Universe so they could record her every action.
They did what?
They put the special car out here so they could record all your actions. Take a look at these fancy socks she has on. Arnold Palmer wore these when he was 15. You did good. There it is, it's landing.
It went right into the ditch.
There's no ditch out there.
There most certainly is. We gotta touch his car.
Yeah.
These are the best buns in the world here. Lightweight, big wheels and speed when you start to pack. When you start to sit. This would probably be more meaningful from the front.
Wait, damn it. Had the doggone thing on pause when I was over there. See how beauty have homes. You want me to grab it for you?
No, I'm gonna play it. You're gonna be in the woods.
Yeah, I'm telling you. There's like one way up there too.
Huh?
You gonna take a 9 footer and let me go look for mine? And then you had to walk, huh?
I don't need a 9, I need a 7.
It is a nice little distance now to think about it.
Okay.
There's nothing sitting over there. In that neighborhood anyway. Did you take your 9 in both of them? You did good. I got it on film. Here we are. Hey, puppy! Hey, puppy! Oh, he's a sweet puppy.
Lots of loving on this golf course.
Yeah.
I'm looking in the runway ends right there.
Let's see if we can find us a few balls over here.
Are we into looking for balls now?
Yeah. Get up golf, we're going to Easter eggs.
We'll sell balls like those kids at the Strawberry.
Yeah, this is going to be interesting. Where did that thing go? I'm sure it's connected with that thing. I'm sure it's got to be on. There it is. I played an orange ball. I was looking for a white one. There's where I is. There's where I am. Okay, we got a nice little distance here. I'm going to bring out my tooth.
And break out the tooth. This thing's been on record all this time with the dog and all that. Where'd it go?
I'm going to back up a pad, line it up close to my left, so I can get some air on it, get over those cracks. Lift the bag up a little bit.